Here we have a breathing star to help you when you're feeling angry, upset, stressed, anxious, or worried. And then you can use this strategy to calm your body down, which are going to help any thoughts that you're having that are unsettling. So start where I put the cursor. Breathe in through your nose. Hold it at the points of the star, and then breathe out through your mouth. Start here. Breathe in through your nose. Hold. Out through your mouth. In through your nose. Hold. Out through your mouth. In through your nose. Hold. Out through your mouth. Keep going. Hopefully this has helped you to calm down, and you can use this strategy anytime you need it.